Now that we have added contents to our Drupal website, let me tell you something about the blocks layout in Drupal. In Drupal, information or widgets are placed on the web page using the blocks. So all these widgets that you are looking here, these are placed in different blocks. And how these blocks looks like, let me add, let me show it uh, in the structure. We will go, if you go to the structure and go to the block layout, you will see that there are different blocks in the web page. The first one is the header, which you see over here. This is the header. Then is the primary menu. It is the primary menu over here. And then is the secondary menu, which comes over here. This is the secondary menu. The next block is the hero, which is not displayed. Then we have the highlighted blocks. We have different widgets over here. And then we have the social bar, which is this one. You see, this one is the social bar. And then we have the contents. The contents are placed over here. This is the contents block. And then contents below, anything, any widget that you place over here will be displayed after the contents over here. And there are different footers, footer top and footer bottom. Here is the footer top, and then here is the footer bottom, where you can place different widgets. Now I will make some changes to my blocks in this web page, and I just want to remove all these items over here and this RSS field from here. So I can simply, if you move your mouse cursor to this, you will see the edit icon, and over here I will say remove block. This will remove the block placement. You may need to place it again, so it is not a very harmful operation. You can add it again. So I will remove. You see the block is removed. I also want to remove this block, so I will say remove. This will also be removed. And if I refresh the web page, the page is now little bit cleaner. I also want to remove the search button, the search icon from here. So I can remove it from, if you see, I will remove it. There is no edit option over here, or the edit option is, if it is not clickable, then you can go to the structure and you can remove it from here. So I have the primary menu over here and the secondary menu over here. So from the primary menu, I will go to the configure and I will remove. And you need to save the blocks after removing. I have saved, and if I refresh it, this again it is coming. Let me check it again. I have to remove it from here. So it is removed. Now this is how we can play with the blocks in Drupal. You can also add blocks. For instance, you can add a block over here. Let me add a block in the footer, for example. So I will go to the footer, and I can place any block. For example, let me add, for example, the who is online, and then click on the save block, click on save, and when I refresh it, it will add this block who is online, and I can remove it either from here or I can go to the blocks and remove the block from there. So this is how it is removed. So we will need different blocks at different locations, and we can add blocks and remove blocks to our website depending upon our needs. In the next video, I will tell you how to create another page. So I will create a contacts page in Drupal. So stay connected. Thank you very much.